This is a special assembly. Whilst we're acknowledging the start of a new academic year, we are also commemorating what is a significant milestone in our history, and that is our centenary. So whilst we are celebrating our centenary, I want to remind you that we are also responsible for taking that legacy from those young pioneers and contributing to that legacy moving forward. So as much as about our centenary is looking back, it's also about looking forward.
Just as it did and felt like in 1924, this year is full of so much potential and promise as we stand on the shoulders of giants. Each of you are the next link in the chain that unites the entire Knox community together.
So sit back and enjoy just how far we've come.